Hello, I'm Justin Choi. This is lesson 3 for PowerPoint. To start PowerPoint on Windows 10, you can always go to the search icon on your taskbar. In my case, my taskbar is on the right. Once you left click on the search icon, you would have to just type in P for PowerPoint. And on the best match, it'll see if you had installed PowerPoint, it'll show PowerPoint. Then you just open it. Now that you're on the new template slides, or basically the home menu, you just have to choose a template. If you go to new, you can find whichever template you want to use, or you could just always just search for some. If you want education as your filter, then just click on education and it'll show you slides that are related to education. For now, let's go for classic corporate teach. If you left click it once, it'll show you preview. Now let's create it. As you can see, this is a background image. If you right click it, you can change the picture from a file, which is from your computer, from stock images, from online sources. Well, this time let's just use an online source. Let's just say humans. No, let's see. Educational. Let's go for educational. Now, if you see the design ideas from the previous video about talking about the user interface, it would then tell you, well, it would just give you some advice on how you're going to design your slide. But designing slides will be on the next video. So we'll go into checking on the inserts, designs, transitions. To explain for design, it's just how you'll just generally design your slide based on certain styles like the office, the facet, the gallery. For the one that we're using right now, we'll probably not touch anything with design. And go back to the plain one with the apple. For transition, it's how you want to preview it. So let's say we're doing morph. And we'll preview it right now. There's fade, which is what will grab your attention. Push up, so you can see that it comes from the bottom. Wipe, which is just showing a black screen at first, and then showing the image gradually. Split, which is starting from the middle. Reveal, which is slowly showing how the slide looks. Cut, let's try cut from here. Well, cut isn't really a good one to use for the time being. So let's try random bars. And there's many others like shape, there's options. So let's go to the effect options and go for diamond. Now, if we go back to cut, let's see if there's any options for that. Do black. I would not use cut for a PowerPoint presentation. Now, if we go to uncover, we preview it to see what it does. Cover just takes the first slide or the slide before it swaps into the second one. Flash is similar to cover. Fall over is fine, but again, you would use that for depending on how you want to grab your audience's attention for transitions as it moves to the next slide. So now for animation, let's see, appear. Preview that. Fade. Fly in. For animations, it applies to just one item on your slide. As you can see, slideshow is for managing your presentation in general, starting from the very first slide or from beginning. So you could press F5. Page 2. Page. As you can see, the animation occurs as the course outline does not show until later on. Press escape to escape slideshow mode. There's also record slideshow, but we won't be doing that anytime soon. There's spelling, which will check for under review and the source. There's translate, there's changing language, but if you're going to change your language, you'd have to have the languages installed. And there's view, which is changing how you want to look at your slides. Notes page is more for the speaker, if I was to be correct. And that is about it.